What's good, y'all? We back with another video. We got my car and my boys M550i.
540i.
Yeah, 540i. But this is my boy.
What's going on, bro? It's Ahmad. B58 Gen 1, B58 Gen 2.
Yup. His car is mad older than mine, and you're gonna see his interior and everything is still pretty up to date because that's BMW, as we know. Beautiful. We gonna compare the interior, my interior to his. I mean, it's a 5 Series, so his shit is still pretty nice.
Exterior for sure. I think I get mogged a little bit, but we're gonna go over still. Sound, it's not fair because someone's modded, someone's not. I don't know who. But
We're gonna find out.
Driving impressions, everything.
Yeah, we're gonna do a whole lot, and y'all gonna see some fun clips.
It's a base 540, non-M Sport, none of that good stuff, sadly. So it's a chrome grille, it's a non-M Sport bumper, so I can't really put a real splitter on it. Hopefully I'll get that replaced though, but not yet. Someone had a yellow DRL CS on this.
Let's go yellow.
Not on the other side. So we're not gonna talk about that. We gotta get that one done soon. Besides that, it's a Mediterranean blue metallic. I'm a Mediterranean fella, so it works out perfectly. Palestinian color. We got the stock wheels. I need some spacers on them hoes soon. A little bit of curved rash. It wasn't me, I swear. And mirror caps are coming in. I bought those. I want to do a black roof wrap, but I think it's pointless on this dark of a color, right?
Yeah, low key.
Oh God, right. But yeah, I got G80 wheels coming in soon, silver all the way, and also I'm gonna buy some tails too because LCI shits on this.
Yeah.
Spoiler is coming in as well, so that'll wrap it up. But yeah, exhaust tips hopefully soon. Besides that, it's base 540. Literally look like a grandpa car really even, but still gap your shit on the highway.
Yeah, it's fast. I can't lie. It's definitely a fucking
Little sleeper build.
little sleeper, yeah.
It won't be sleeping for long though, just wait.
Alright, y'all, so I've already kind of gone over a lot of the mods I already have, but some new ones are this light up grill.
Fucking
that
beautiful.
should look beautiful at night.
Bro.
It's like some elegancy, shows you the BMW way.
Bro.
And I added a little front splitter. It's little, it's nothing crazy.
Nah.
It's a little bit of depth.
He's playing it down. That is some aggressive front splitter, bro. With the lights too, crazy.
Yeah, and then we already know the rims. I'm gonna get some rims soon. They just basic and black right now. So.
Yeah.
And then now we got the quad exhaust tips.
What are these, 4 inches?
I think 3.5.
3.5? Yeah, they look crazy.
They are pretty big. I do want to get the F1 diffuser.
Oh yeah, brake
That'll
light.
be really soon. Yep. that'll be
Beautiful.
really
Yeah,
soon,
yeah,
baby.
yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty stock. I look good on the outside, but performance-wise, I am pretty stock.
Yeah, man, it's crazy though, bro. Like this is like for a non-M car. Like, and I know people hate on non-Ms, but like for a non-M car, this is like this shit 10 years ago would gap an M.
Yeah.
Like this would shit on any M in the
Now, we
past.
was just talking low-key, it beats a F80.
For sure,
because they
bro.
put too much power down.
Yeah, bro. Like this right here, it will grip up. It might be less powerful, but it will grip up.
We're finna move into the interiors. Honestly, he mogs me a little, but we mog each other in different ways on the interior.
Yeah. There's different uses.
We gonna see. All right, y'all. We finna get into the interior real quick. So, sheesh, bro, you got the two-tone. This is a real two-tone. I can't even lie.
Me and the fellas, me and my cousin, we had the Beamer Cup. We did it for him too.
Yeah.
That
shit clean.
Saved it, bro. He doesn't need it.
That shit, bro. Like this shit looks so nice. Quality's still good for being a 18.
Yeah, it's 2018.
Yeah, this shit is beautiful.
Car, yeah, I got wood grain here. I want to go to carbon one day, but it's pretty expensive. It's kind of a tedious job. But besides that, it's the pre-facelift steering wheel. It's a little bit ugly. It is what it is. It gets the job done. Normal shifter. I bought a crystal shifter. I got these crystal controls too. So this is gonna be crystal. This is gonna be a crystal M shifter, and these are already crystal. So that's gonna be a nice little interior upgrade. Besides that, yeah, black interior. I wish I had the massaging seats. I don't, but full leg, head control, everything. I think you got that too, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a little magnetic phone holder for the clips, for the racing clips, whenever the runs music is going on. That's basically it. It's nothing too crazy in there.
Still nice though. I can't even lie.
Yeah, very spacious too, bro. Let me just tell you that much, gang.
Still got some good leather too. This dude got some good leather. So, I mean, it's still good quality. You would never know that this is an 18 if you didn't, if you knew ball.
Yeah, if you knew Beamers, you would know. But if you were just like, your average Joe, whatever cars, like most people would appreciate this. And I mean, hell, coming from a 2013 Lexus, I appreciate it.
Yeah, shit clean. He needs those. I need those puddle lights. So I can't lie. All right, y'all. Y'all have seen some good clips of my interior, but we just gonna compare them again. I got some decent ambient lighting. I'm not gonna lie, it's not two-tone light. but I do got that big ass screen, that carbon wheel.
Oh yeah, the carbon trim too. That's oh the wheel. Holy shit, buddy.
I just put those paddle shifters on.
Oh yeah. I got paddle shifters too, but me and him, we were trying it for like an hour. We couldn't figure it out, so
put them on.
we're gonna have someone else get that done.
And then back seats, kind of lame, but same thing.
Yeah, it's a little bit tighter than mine. That's basically the only difference in the lights, obviously. But besides that, I mean, the same material. You have nicer headrests, to be honest. I like these. The blue stitching on it goes crazy.
Yeah, I do got that blue stitching. That is the cool shit. I can't lie.
I do like that, yeah. But yeah, the ambient lights on the door is sick, and the door handle is sick too.
Yeah, it's cool.
Newer car than mine. You could tell just by the interior. The carbon is the sportiness showing of it. The big ass screen, mogged mine. But yeah, like I said, his is a little bit sportier.
It is tough.
Mine's
it is a little sportier. It is truly like an M Light, so it's a little bit sportier. But I also pay for it in the price. So.
Yeah. No, it definitely shows
6,
up.
7, like you gotta win some, you lose some. But next clip's probably gonna be sound clips. His car versus mine. He's gonna beat me. He's gonna mod me.
It's not fair, bro.
But you guys gonna hear a beautiful car. It does sound really good.
And just wait. I got a downpipe for this dude. So soon he's gonna be loud too.
We gonna see. All right, y'all. We about to hear his exhaust. I think first we're gonna do Eco.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with Eco just because I have no valves yet. I bought some that I'm gonna put in later, so I can't really get quiet. But Eco is no burble, so you hear raw exhaust. Sport is gonna hear the pop pops.
Here we go. He low-key got a wastegate too, so I need to get like a good. You're gonna hear that turbo spool. Yeah, you got a hot cold box.
And now we're gonna go to sport, so you can hear the little pops.
And this is where we're gonna hear some real pops. That shit sound crazy, yo.
I need the valve because I really like. I'm annoying my neighbors every day because I can't get quiet. But the valve, I bought it. It's already in the house. I see that weld it in would be definitely worth it, so I can stop being a nuisance to my neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the exhaust. All I have really muffling it is the resonators. There's no muffler. There are downpipes, but we're pretty sure they're catted. And yeah, like I said.
I don't know. Yeah, that shit sound crazy. So sooner or later, I'm gonna be sounding like that crazy. Once I actually get a tune, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be popping shit in this shit.
Progressive. So now we're gonna look at my boy Nate's exhaust. We're gonna hear out.
Eco Pro, and then we're gonna do sport, same thing.
We're gonna see the differences.
I don't pop them.
Yeah. It's not really fair, but it's also newer, so it's more muffled. So still good. Are valves open or closed?
Open.
Okay, do one with a close. I want to see the difference.
All right.
Show everyone the Valvetronic exhaust.
Got the valve.
Oh, I heard that. Literally, you could drive by you'd think it's a 330.
Yeah, literally.
That's crazy.
And then you open it, and then now we go to sport.
Sport, let's hear it. See, like, even though it doesn't pop, I like it more a little bit because it's like that straight 6 smooth sound. Like
it is pretty.
It's like a classic sound, you know? It's clean.
It's weird though. It pops in low RPMs. Watch.
Yeah. No, you're right. I can hear it. It's like a little, like pop.
Yeah, it's a little.
I thought maybe just the fuel dump. The fuel's leaving it a little bit.
I don't even know, but it does sound pretty good. Once I go catless for sure though.
We're gonna be mobbing around these streets, man.
And the tune.
Oh yeah, buddy. We gotta see who's gonna win with the tune, because right now obviously I'm tuned and it's not fair, but when we're tune for tune, it's gonna be a little bit closer.
He beat me in a roll and a drag, but not
and
by
a
lot.
dig. And a dig. Yeah, it was like a car, but anyways.
Like half a car.
All right. But he is a 6-port Gen 2, so whenever he's fully like full bolt on stock turbo, me full bolt on stock turbo, 100% he's winning. But when we're both on 93, that's a different story. We might have to see.
We're gonna see.
All right, yeah.
Next we're gonna see
maybe a sliding clip or two, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's what the weather's
That
calling
might
for.
not be a bad idea, man.
All right, y'all. So we just drifted a little. He drifted some. You're gonna see his clip. It was pretty tough, but I think I'm the better drifter. Maybe because I got the better car.
Yeah, it's not really fair because this is the big thing. He has a limited slip diff, so his wheels, when he's spinning, it'll both spin. I got none of that shit. I'm a base model.
Yeah,
so
you
when
got
I'm spinning,
base.
I got one wheel going. So I really gotta push the car to get it to slide. And it's also a big bitch. It's soft. I don't got no M Sport suspension. So I'm dealing with a lot of things, but
facing adversity.
Yeah, facing adversity, I think I handled myself pretty well. His clip was crazy, very tight. Like you could see how controlled it was for sure.
Yeah, it was pretty solid. I mean, it is a pretty good car to drift. I had experience with my Camaro, but this one's pretty tough.
That's the
too.
thing. I had a front wheel drive Lexus before this, so it's not really. It's my first time drifting ever.
Drifted before, but
bro, a BMW 430 one time, and then a Panamera S and an M5 once.
Yeah.
But I never had a car to slide. You had a Camaro every day.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but it was some solid clips. I think next we're gonna get some like cool like drive-by clips on the highway. Yeah, get some flybys.
Some rollers too for sure.
Some rollers, yeah. Do some. We're gonna get some good clips. And yeah, I'll catch y'all. What's good, y'all? Y'all saw some cool, fun-ass clips, bro.
Had a good time. The rain treated us nice. It's done now, though.
We got some cool little clips, exhaust notes, seeing the cars, comparing them. Yeah. It's pretty fire.
Hopefully it gives y'all a little idea of the differences, and then it's like also going to be a baseline for both of us, you know, from now, hopefully like maybe like 6 months, 3 months even, like we'll see what the differences are to what we've done, you know?
Yeah, literally. So we have an idea where we want to be in like 6 months from now. Let me know if y'all want to see more like me comparing other cars to my car. I also got other homies with other crazy cars.
I got a cousin with the M5.
Yeah, we got an M5.
We got an X550i cousin with the exhaust done.
Yeah, we can do a whole lot. We can see a whole lot.
We could get like a whole Beamers like society meet, like our group, and we could have some banger videos coming out. So just like it up and let us know.
Yeah, let us know. But yeah, thank y'all for watching.
And support the homie. Make sure to subscribe, bro.
Yeah, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Latest.